अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन SIQR। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2 is called quartile deviation. It is also known as semi-interquartile range. Mathematically, quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. This is absolute measure of dispersion. Coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. This is relative measure of dispersion. The quartile deviation has an attractive feature that the range median plus minus quartile deviation contains approximately 50% of the data. The advantages of quartile deviation are superior to range, not affected by extreme values, simple to understand and easy to calculate. It has certain disadvantages. It gives no information about the position of observations lying outside the two quartiles, that is Q1 and Q3. Not amenable to mathematical treatment. Greatly affected by sampling variability. Not widely used. Quartile deviation in case of discrete data. Compute quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation for the following data: 21, 40, 38, 32, 29 and so on. Q1 की वैल्यू दी हुई है 20 एंड Q3 की वैल्यू 32. क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन इज इक्वल टू Q3 माइनस Q1 डिवाइड बाई 2, 32 माइनस 20 डिवाइड बाई 2 इक्वल टू 12 बाई 2 इक्वल टू 6. दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्जन. Now coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Coefficient of quartile deviation equal to 32 minus 20 divided by 32 plus 20 is equal to 12 by 52 is equal to 0.23. This is relative measure of dispersion. Quartile deviation in case of continuous frequency distribution. Calculate quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation of the data given below. Marks दिए हैं क्लासेस की फॉर्म में और फ्रीक्वेंसीज दी हैं. Q1 is equal to 27 और Q3 की वैल्यू दी हुई है 42.4. क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन इक्वल टू Q3 माइनस Q1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इक्वल टू 42.4 माइनस 27 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन इक्वल टू 7.7. दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्जन. Now coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 42.4 minus 27 divided by 42.4 plus 27 equal to 0.22. This is relative measure of dispersion. If you want to learn how to calculate quartiles, watch my previous videos on quartiles, percentile, deciles for individual data, quartiles, percentile, decile for discrete frequency distribution, quartiles, percentile, deciles for group frequency distribution.